Just a typical South Baton Rouge hurricane day. Trees blowing over. Rain. Rain, 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 rain going in sheets. Shh. Yep. Yeah, that's not snow. Those are leaves. That's the backyard. Pretty jacked up. There's a poor limb that just couldn't quite make it to the ground. Still hanging on. I'm hanging on! Not gonna let go! Save me! There's the good old shed still up. Yep. Not gonna fall. Not gonna do it. Not built very well. Not gonna fall. Backyard is jacked up. There's that limb again. Happy. Good thing there's no babies in that swing right there. They'd be wet. And it hadn't rained too bad because the backyard always floods. I guess we could put some water in that pool over there and go swimming. I mean, really? It's not really that bad. Ah! It'd be bad if that tree fell on me. It'd be good for my family. Collect the insurance money. And they wouldn't have me to tell them all these good jokes. It's getting a little worse. The yard's getting a little more flooded. Wind blowing a little harder. Well, when it stops raining, we're going to go swimming out here. Yep. I got my kids changing right now. We're going to go play on the swing in a minute. It's going to be fun. Have a good old family time. We don't get this very often, so we have some family time. There's our ball floating around. The balls are floating. It's a floating ball. A little later, water's getting higher. That blue ball is now turned another color, really small. Fence fell down. Yay! Oh, look at that. Woo! Ah, it's blowing me away. Wind's blowing harder. Rain's raining harder. More leaves. That's a good gust right there. Woo! Oh, dodo. Ow! I got hit by the wind chime. That's great. You're a moron. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Take it over. Here's our ball. It's blown back up. Yep. Got some more water. Water's getting higher. Fence is still down. Magic Ales hadn't put that back together yet. Nope. Ball's swimming away. Wind's blowing hard. Yep. There's more tree on the ground than there is up in the tree. Tree falls down. Tree can't go back up. Not magic tree. But the ball's swimming. It's having a good time. The ball's having more fun than everybody else. Look at him. Wee, I'm over here. I'm over here. No. I want to go over here. No, I want to go over there. Oh. Quit looking at me. I'm a ball. I'm a ball. There goes my ball. You're sucking me in.